aside from Julie Vega, for example, who are the other artists that sort of influenced your love for music and yung gantong industry na pinaka?
Kasi yung first competition ko, it was an amateur singing competition is The Province. Ang pinaka-first kong song na kinanta doon ay Mr. DJ. So, si Sharon Cuneta siguro yung isa sa naka-influence din sa akin. Yun. Tapos ito na, kung sino-sino. Basta kahit ordinaryong singer na nakita ko magandang boses, okay lang sa akin yun. Wala naman kung sino yung sikat yun ang papaborituhin mo.
And that's nice. That's nice na karamihan po OPM.
Correct.
Yung influences. Your version of the song, Somewhere in My Past, has resonated with so many people. Yung version yun ng Somewhere in My Past. Is there a particular message or emotion you wanted to bring out with your rendition of Somewhere in My Past?
Kasi the message of the song is about reincarnation. So, the first time na may na-meet kang isang tao, feeling mo matagal mo na siyang nakilala. So, nung meron sila ng first kiss, parang matagal na yung kiss na yung na-experience mo. That's the message of the song.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.